Right here is put some numbers in here. Let's go to a different color. We'll go to red. And we're going to put some numbers in here just to do a quick little example. Let's see a good example here. Alright, we'll do this one. Let's say that this little bit right there is x. Let's say this segment is 9. This one is 4. And this one is 5. Again, not necessarily drawn to scale, but that's okay. And we want to solve for x. All right, so you just have to go through the theorem. Look, first of all, we take a look at the whole thing. So what's the whole thing right there? It's x plus 9, isn't it? Some people say 9x. It's not 9x. It's not 9 times x. It's the whole thing, which is x plus 9. So, right, we take the whole times the outside equals the whole times the outside. So the whole thing is x plus 9 times the outside. What's the outside? It's x. Equals the whole thing here. What's the whole thing here?
9.
It's 9 times the what?
4.
The outside, which is 4. Very good. Now you got yourself set up with a little algebra, and now you just do the algebra. So that's all you have to remember for this, is you do the whole thing times the outside equals the whole thing times the outside. And let's do it. This is x squared plus 9x equals 36. All right. This is quadratic, isn't it? So what do we do with the quadratic? Yeah, but you got to do what before you factor? Yeah, subtract 36. Good. And then set it equal to what? Equal to 0. All right. Any idea? It's probably factors, I'm sure. Okay. So you put an x here and an x here. All right. You just have to think of 36. How are you going to get a 9 out of it? Okay. 12 and 3 will get a 9 out of it, won't it? And the 12's got to be positive because that's the larger number. Because when, right, you add up a negative and a positive, you get positive. This has to be bigger. You remember this from Algebra 1? So what do? You set them both equal to 0. This will be good practice for you. Now you're going to do a bunch of this in Algebra 2 next year.
Oh, goody!
Wow, I'm glad you're enthusiastic about it. So we're going to do a ton of this next year. But this, we haven't done a lot of this year, but that's definitely an Algebra one time. Is that us?
That's our bell.
Are you kidding me? I thought we had, for some reason I was thinking 36. What's this over? 20 what?
24.
How can I not remember that? Watch, x equals 12, x equals 3. How in the world can you, or negative 12, how can you get two different answers? You got to check them. But look, this is a length of a segment. Is there any way a length of a segment is going to be negative anything? No, it's not. So we get rid of this one. Which one do we keep? That one right there. This is what I'm going to do. All right? Sorry about this, but go to the section B, the geometry B, and I'll probably have it all finished, okay? Because now I know I need to go a little quicker, okay? So go to section B if you want to see the third theorem, all right? Let me write down what you have to do. It's 6 to 21. So it's page 740 and 6 to 21. All right, you can go. Thanks.
Quit!